When Sophos classifies an application as malicious and it's made a mistake, it's called a false positive. There's a variety of mechanisms to suppress these types of detections. One of the most common is available directly from the event details, where you can choose to allow an application by its SHA-256 unique identifier, the signing certificate, or the file name and path. For exploits, we also allow suppression of exploit detection by exploit type. Let me show you what that looks like in the console. So we have a number of detections here where malware has been found. This one here, dropper.exe, has been classified as malware. Going to the details, I can choose to allow this application. If I knew it was developed by my internal IT department, that it's not being classified as malware by other Sophos product capabilities or by other security vendors, I may want to allow it directly by its SHA-256. I may need to allow it by file name and path if it's an executable that changes frequently. If it's an internal application, hopefully I've signed it, and I could allow it by signing certificate. Similarly, if the software manufacturer has signed the code, you could allow this application other code signed with the same certificate to be suppressed from any malware detections. When you go to add it as an application that's being suppressed, we request that you provide some additional information to Sophos to make our products better. You don't have to, but you can provide some comments, and all of this information will flow back to Sophos so that we can improve our products. If the detection was through an exploit, a slightly different exclusion mechanism is available. You can simply exclude it by the unique detection ID. So the detection ID is made available. In this case, we've detected this executable is performing a ransomware behavior. If we wanted to suppress that ransomware detection, we could add it here and again provide some comments. Protection against other exploit techniques like keep spray, stack pivot, privilege escalation are still going to be applied. You're only turning off the ransomware detection for this executable. If you've classified something as malware, if malware rather has been classified as legitimate applications and you've made a mistake and you need to undo that, you can go to your list of allowed applications and remove it from the list. Going forward, this will be treated as malware, and it'll be cleaned up the next time we see it executing or the next time a scan is performed on the device.